Minimum wage in the United States is set by U.S. labor law and a network of state and local laws. Employers generally must pay workers the highest minimum wage prescribed by federal, state, or local law. Minimum wage is defined as the lowest hourly amount an employer may legally pay an employee. As of July 2016, the federal government mandates a nationwide minimum wage of $7.25 per hour. In situations where both the federal and the state FLSA address the issue, the employer is required to follow the law that is of greatest benefit to the employee. The Federal Fair Labor Standards Act, or FLSA, defines the employer requirements for minimum wage, overtime compensation, compensatory time, exempt and non-exempt status, child labor standards, and record keeping. All local government agencies are covered by the Fair Labor Standards Act. Generally speaking, elected officials, individuals who hold a political office, are not subject to any civil service laws, are not considered an employee under FLSA, and not subject to FLSA minimum wage or overtime rules. Minnesota state statute also has a Fair Labor Standards Act. The purpose of this act is to establish minimum wage and overtime compensation standards, safeguard existing minimum wage and overtime compensation standards, and increase employment opportunities. Effective August 1, 2014, the Minnesota Fair Labor Standards Act increased the state minimum wage with yearly wage increases for the next several years and adjusted the definition of large employer. The minimum wage a local government must pay depends on whether the organization is a large or small employer and if the employee is covered by the law. As of August 1, 2014, agencies with a total budget over $500,000 are considered large employers for the purposes of state minimum wage law. Conversely, employers that have a total budget under $500,000 are considered small employers. Prior to August 1, 2014, a large employer was considered one with an overall total budget of at least $625,000. As of August 2016, large employers must pay most employees covered by minimum wage law at a rate of at least $9.50 per hour, and small employers must pay all applicable employees at a rate of at least $7.75 per hour. These state minimum wage rates are scheduled to increase each year with inflation indexing beginning January 1, 2018.